So I want to start with a video, really quick, that will hopefully play. If not.
And before Casey gets started, no one's taking anything personally in this class, except, wait a second, you should take it personally a little bit, right?
All of us should take it personally because any one of us could have done this.
Right.
Especially Jeff. If we do bad, you know it's your teaching.
She tried to get it.
It's true. Okay, I'm really sad right now.
Oh no.
Or we're really excited because if we do well, it's also your teaching.
That's true.
Oh no.
Oh.
What's up with your fingernails?
Oh, man.
Oh no.
Okay, so who has ever run into glass before? Yeah? Wow. That's a lot of people. I was worried that no one would raise their hand. I have. Does anyone want to like share your story? Yeah.
This family in our ward owned like a sandwich shop, and they had glass doors to get in, and I walked into them, but apparently a lot of people did because they had to put up stickers on the doors so that people could see them.
I was at a friend's pool party when I was younger, and I ran into it like 4 times because you just go in and out, and the mom always closed the door like between me and the other girls. Maybe she's doing it on purpose. It got so bad, like I had such a bad goose egg that they're like, okay, we're gonna put the pizza menu because they ordered pizza on the door at my eye level, and I still ran into it because I was like, it's the door everyone's running through. And so, yeah, I kind of go really slowly around where there could be glass doors.
Yeah. Good idea. Good learning there. Cool. So, for anyone who has never experienced that, you don't have to admit it or anything that you're better. But I want you to think really quick. Do you believe that you can see glass? Just think to yourself. Okay, we're gonna play a game to test out if you can see glass. And I call it glass or no glass. Okay, so I'll give you a picture and you need to decide if it's a reflection or like glass and reflecting something, or if it is actually nature.
No glass.
Yeah. Who votes glass? Who votes no glass?
No glass.
This is glass.
Just,
Hey, maybe next time. We'll try it again. Glass or no glass? Glass?
I was tricked on the last one, so I don't trust myself.
No one votes glass. No glass. This is also glass.
What?
That chicken.
I know.
What is it?
And how about this one? Glass or no glass?
glass.
Glass.
No
Take
glass.
out of that picture.
Yeah, okay.
Glass.
All pretty confident? Anyone say that it is not glass?
I'm gonna go no glass.
Okay. This is nature.
What?
Okay, one more. Glass or no glass?
Glass.
Glass. Pretty confident. Anyone think that it's nature? Okay, here are some context clues for you. How about now? Glass or no glass? Anyone think that it is strings? Yeah, you can see from the strings. This is glass, and we can tell because we have some context. And humans have learned how to deal with glass around us because we look at context in the big picture. So, sorry if anyone's a little bit frustrated now. I'm gonna ask, why does this matter? Why am I talking about glass right now? Well, because when humans run into glass, it's funny. Most of the time. Sometimes people get hurt. But most of the time it's funny. But when birds run into glass, they can die. Sorry. I didn't think I would get teary. I think I'm also nervous. But here's some statistics. Birds. Sorry, I did not mean to get teary. I don't feel this strongly, but. So, window collisions are responsible for 1 billion bird deaths in just the US. And that's above like wind turbines and power lines and even cats. So, window collisions cause a lot of death. And so we ask ourselves, why do they do it? Are they dumb? No, because we can't see glass either unless we see it in context, and birds aren't seeing it in that context. What they see is a reflection of a tree they want to fly to, or like the sky they want to fly through, and so they fly at it, and when we run into glass, we're like, oh, that was glass, and we can learn, but birds, like, most of the time they don't survive, so they can't learn. So, we actually know how to fix this. This is the fun thing. I'm totally kidding. We can have buildings with glass, but we have to do things to them. But first, I want to talk about some things that didn't work. So we have interior window shades, angled glass, building overhangs, and these window decals. I want us to break up into groups and come up with some ideas about why these don't work. So, you guys right here, you can do interior window shades. You guys can do angled glass. You four back there, can you do those window decals up there? And you guys do the building overhang. I want you guys to discuss why these are not effective bird-safe glass adaptions.